Madani, Madani, the voice of the new. Madani, Madani, we are loyal and true. What do we believe in? Compassion and conscience. What do we reject? Corruption and cruelty. We are the generation that knows integrity is not for sale, justice is not for trade, dignity cannot be bribed.
We speak kindly, but we don't stay silent.
Gracious in speech, yes, but firm in our stand. Taxi. That's small. A favor, a shortcut, a lie. And then, like poison in water, like cracks in the neck, is spread.
The price is heavy.
Falling creatures, broken trust, children children.
No more silence, no more games, no more shame. We don't cheat. We don't pretend. You don't need to be watched to do what's right.
We don't need superpowers to be a hero. We just need
The heart that bears.
a voice that speaks, a mind that won't bend.
We are the heroes of integrity, armed with honesty, shielded with truth. Our cities are heroes, our mothers are warriors, our fathers firm and fearless. We stand tall together.
We don't fight corruption with hate, we fight it with honor.
The time word can stop a storm. The time word can lead a nation. We correct with wisdom. We advise with humanity. We choose our word with care.
But kindness is not weakness.
We speak with grace, but we never back down. Right is right and wrong is wrong. Right is right and wrong is wrong. Right is right and wrong is wrong. We know, we choose, we act.
We don't follow the crowd, we lead by example.
Integrity is when you do the right thing, even when no one is looking.
When you return what is the cost,
When you admit your mistake,
when you stand up,
even if you stand alone.